Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the news beat presented to you by Ladies Like and Jess Sentino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow.
Can't believe the year is over. It went so fast.
Well, Jay, nothing is forever. Nothing can last. But it was a blast for us at Newsbeat. We brought you broadcasts from the streets, news near the corners of Kampala, and from further than the coasts of Africa.
Let's look back at the topics in 2017, January to December, and everything between. How was Bobby Wine, a popular musician, transitioned into such a popular politician?
It's not just by updating his look or posting politics on Facebook. He dedicates 2 days to his constituency, splits time between music, work and family. He holds concerts in every corner of the country. At the end, he speaks as MP Robert Kyagulanyi, received by his fans as our President 2021, a reception that raises opposing opinions.
Critics say he speaks like the sky is the limit, voicing his views on the proposed amendment to let the president contest and scrap the age limit. Some ask why he's so focused on presidency, and what has he done for his constituency?
He hasn't ignored his area in the list. He built 37 boreholes in Chadondo East. He's equipping youth with sellable skills, but his competitor says he let his focus spill.
No doubt Bobby Wine is loved around the nation. No doubt he appeals to the youngest population, but he already felt the fate of being the opposition, or is arrested for his verbal demonstration.
Did you follow the elections in Kenya? I've never seen anything like it in Africa. Uhuru Kenyatta might be feeling bitter. He had already been declared the winner 3 weeks back by the Election Commission, but he hit a roadblock with the opposition. Raila Odinga had protested the results. He took the case to the Supreme Court. Kenyatta said he would respect their decision, but he was angry about the nullified elections. Nullifying these elections is a sign that judges won't just fall into line. The ruling may have created controversy, but it was a win for the democracy. Hey, in a couple of years, our children in East Africa won't know that there was once a thing like a Kavera.
Hey, how so?
After Rwanda and Uganda, Kenya introduced a delayed plastic ban, hoping to protect their environment. By joining the plastic-free flow, they want to push the 24 million bags they use monthly to zero.
Kenya is worried about cows in the city, and they should be. In Mauritania, before their plastic ban, 70% of the dead cattle in the capital died from eating plastic bags, and that is only one sad fact.
The bags also block sewers, creating puddles of water on the street. Where malaria mosquitoes breed, better keep the streets neat. Uganda, along with Kenya and Nigeria, were the first 3 African countries to receive the generic DTG single tablet to help with the fighting of the viral disease. The new age drug, which has already been in use in Asia, Europe and America, will now be available in 92 poor countries beginning with Africa. The 1 pill a day fixed dose, developed by Milan Laboratories and Aurobindo Pharma, will cost only 270,000 shillings per person per year, down from the 3.5 million shillings the AIDS patients have had to endure.
Uganda hosts 1.2 million refugees according to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and it's estimated that more than 900,000 of these are South Sudanese. However, increasing number of refugees has forced the Ugandan government to rethink its refugee policy, as Uganda is now the world's second largest host of refugees after Turkey. The East African country is known to have the world's most favorable refugee policies, where refugees are given a plot of land to farm and build their own premises. And whereas refugees in most countries are put in camps and restricted in movement, refugees in Uganda move freely and can also seek employment. However, the growing number of refugees has put pressure on Uganda and its host communities and affected the provision of many social services.
Oxford Dictionary has finally opened its pages to East Africa's versions of the English language. It now includes chitenji and boda boda, a dab of daily vocab from East Africa, and these words weren't added there without reason. The Oxford Press published on the Oxford Dictionary for primary in East Africa to meet the needs of pupils in Kenya with the purpose of being culturally appropriate and providing vocabulary that is up to date.
What's your wish for the brand new year?
Apart from getting a brand new car, I wish for prosperity in Uganda and for less traffic in Kampala.
I wish for youth to get full access to education and jobs for youth across the nation.
But those are our wishes. What about you? What do you want 2018 to bring for you?
Ekisookera ddala ebbula ly'emirimu n'obwavu byo bisusse ensonga lwaki abaana babakuba obutayimbwa
amafuta g'erinnya ennaku zino 218 nazo bagakendeereko ku bbeeyi.
In 2018 we request for change in the prices. Maybe you can reduce taxes on electricity, on metals and the paints so that we can also work at the profit.
Mwaka omujja njagala gavumenti ekyuseemu embeera emu gye tukoleramu. Abakozi bannaffe batutulugunya okolera wa tulina bukulembeze bwetongodde. I wish everybody happy
happiness and healthy new year.
Honestly, I wish for true democracy and for full human rights and gender equality.
That's like wishing for snow in Uganda, but it won't come. Here it's already summer.
Check it out. It's a wish come true. Anything is possible if we do all we can do.
Is that for real? Or am I dreaming?
No, it's a special effect we are creating. See, we don't have to wish for change in this land because the power to create change is in our hands.
We wish you a great 2018 Uganda.
Happy New Year from Newsbeat with love from Kampala. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like and Jay Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.